Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your ChatGPT conversation data to another account. So this is useful when switching accounts, but you still want access to your previous chats. First, sign in to the ChatGPT account that contains the conversations. Open your profile menu, select settings, and go to data controls. Next to export data, click export, then confirm the request, and you may need to verify your account before continuing. So once the export is ready, ChatGPT will send a download link to your email. So download the zip file, extract it, and look for the conversations JSON file. After that, sign into your second ChatGPT account and open a new chat. Upload the JSON file by dragging it into the message box or using the attachment button. And then ChatGPT can then read the exported conversations and use them as reference. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.